friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I am doing just a little bit of outside cleaning. So this is an outside clean with me. I am kind of doing some stuff on the front porch, then mowing a little bit in the backyard. We actually mowed the whole backyard, but I didn't think you wanted to see me mow the whole backyard, so I just included a little bit of that, as well as some cleaning on the back porch. I'll be spray painting some pieces that I bought to decorate and showing you what things I have bought this year to decorate with. I did not get a lot at all. I still have not gotten a lot of plants. I just don't do that well with potted plants. But anyways, without any further ado, let's get into this video.
Spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is.
I have a few things here for the front porch. The lemon I actually got from Walmart last year, so they probably do not have this, but you could probably find something similar there or at Hobby Lobby. And I got this tray from Target, and I end up spray painting it white to put on the front porch.
The real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next.
I did have footage of me spray painting this table as well as everything else, but I'm just horrible at spray painting and recording, and I was getting spray paint on my camera, so for the good of the camera I decided to scrap all of that. It wasn't turning out very well. I was having problems with my spray paint can, and I was so scared I was going to get it back on the camera, so there won't be any footage for that. But as you can see, I picked out a black color to match the chairs, and so I have finally got that done and off my list.
Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance.
So now I'm in the backyard. I'm going to pick up several things and get the table spray painted to match the chairs. It is black and a little bit rusted, and of course I'm not going to be showing spray painting because it just wasn't working for me. It was too windy or something. And so I got these two blue chairs from Target, and the table color will match the chair arms. It's not really black, not really gray. I can't think of the name for some reason, but it's like that gray metallic color, and so those match, and I'm pretty happy with how closely they match. Like, you can't even tell. I also got this new mat from Target. It says stay a while, and it matches the two chairs. And I really just didn't buy a whole lot for back here because I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do, and for some reason I just did not have any luck this year finding stuff that I really liked. So that's real life, it happens sometimes, but I did get a few things, and so here those are.
Take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden.
So Jason's still mowing, so that's what the background noise is. And it's a sunny Saturday day, so there's going to be probably a lot of people out mowing today. But here's the front porch. It's just really plain. My wreath fell off the door that I keep on it, and I just decorate it for holidays. So the command strip finally came off, so I guess I need a new one, but I also need to paint this door. It has a lot of, it needs to be washed too. But it has a lot of sticky stuff because unfortunately we have a lot of solicitors, so that's my little homemade sign. I probably need to get a nicer looking one, but every time I take it off and then thinking that I will get a new one, I have a solicitor, so it does help some, and it's just going to stay there for now. But I have this corner to work with. Excuse me. I kind of want to get those lanterns that you see right here, about a couple of them to put there, and I don't have to worry about being a plant mom and watering a lot of plants, because to tell you the truth, I really don't do that well with potted plants. But I don't know, I'll probably end up getting a fern just because it's going to be a little cheaper right now. And like I said, this is real life time decorating, so I don't have hundreds of dollars to spend on the front porch. But I did buy a doormat, and I do have my wreath that I've had. And this is my front porch furniture. I'm keeping the black chairs. Last year you could still buy these. I've had them for a few years now. I want to say I think I saw them this year too, but I didn't see them yesterday when we went to Target. And then this little table that I have, I got it from Kohl's several years ago, and I've never finished painting the legs, or actually I never even started.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
I just had to show y'all how much trouble I was having. Like, we could not get this spray can to work. It was jammed or something. Finally, Jason got it for me, and I started spray painting, but then it was getting on the camera. So here is the after I spray painted it, and it looks great. And the duct tape, no, it's not duct tape. The frog tape worked. It's the tape I used to paint inside the house, and so it worked perfectly for that DIY project. And now I'm just going into a little bit of mowing.
And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this. 'Cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever. and I won't waste it.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It really does help out so much. Be sure to come back for a part 2 of doing some stuff around outside and just cleaning up the yard and getting it just looking better and better. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Do you ever call back?